I built a $1 million mortgage note investing portfolio that pays me thousands of dollars every month, and I did it without using one nickel of my own money. How did I do it? Well, you give me 4 minutes and I'll show you exactly how I did it. Hi, my name is Des, professional investor, and yes, I have developed a $1 million investment portfolio over the last 2 years, and I've done it without using a nickel of my own money. That's not just hype. And here's how I did it. I show people how to take their money out of the real estate market and out of the stock market to put it into the mortgage market. And why would they want to do that? Because mortgages give people an opportunity to get cash flow from real estate without owning it. You see, think about this. Banks make money from real estate, don't they? But do banks actually flip houses? No. Do banks actually buy rentals? No. Do banks build new construction? No. Yet they make money every single month. They do it by being the lenders. So what I've done is this. It's really simple. I find deals where we can serve as the lender. And then I bring people into the deal to partner with me on those deals. They get a piece and I get a piece. They put up the money, I do the work. If you want to know how to structure deals like that, you can build yourself a $1 million portfolio, a $2 million portfolio, a $10 million portfolio. How big do you want it to be? Guys, I'm telling you, this is the most powerful investment strategy you'll ever see, and it doesn't require you to have one dime of your own money. If you want to know more about how this works, you can also go to my website, investbrilliantly.com. And on my website, I'll show you exactly how I do it. And also on my website, if you'd like for me to coach you through the process and help you get your first, second, third, fourth, fifth deal done, I'll be happy to do that, because that's exactly what I do. I've helped so many other people accomplish really amazing things doing exactly what I've done for my own portfolio. Even my baby girl, my youngest daughter, now has more than 12 mortgages, where she is owning a piece of them, and every single month she gets paid as a result of putting those deals together, and she didn't put up one dime of her own money. So here's what I want you to know. This is a hot way to invest in real estate. It's a smart way to invest in real estate. It's a safe way to invest in real estate, and it is the best way to invest in real estate. Because in my opinion, after almost 40 years of investing in real estate, I think this is the most brilliant strategy I have ever seen. Hit me up. I'll give you a free consultation. I'll answer your questions. I'll even show you how you can participate in our program if you're interested. God bless you, and I'll talk to you later.